A rundown of the essential men's hair, grooming and body products that you need for festival season. We are well and truly into festival season, and you might have your ticket, you've got your travel, you've got your tent, but there's other things that I think are definite essentials. The stuff that you need for your skin protection, body and hair. And although I've got loads of products out here, I'm gonna go through some of them and you can kind of whittle down to the stuff that you really think that you personally need. Now, if you're new to this, you wonder who I am, then hi, I'm Robin. This is Man from South. Please do press subscribe right now. The button is just below this video. Now, starting with skin, we all need a moisturizer, but if you can get a moisturizer that does more than one thing, then that's great. I've got two here, one by Lab Series and another one by Menergy. Now, both of them have got SPF in it. This one has got an SPF 35 and this one has an SPF 30. They've also both got tints in it. So if you do want a bit of color, then these could be options for you. Or just go with something like a really great hydrating moisturizer like this one. This one's from Bulldog. But with all of these sort of things, I would say do invest, I say invest like it's a couple of pounds, in these little sort of travel tubs. You can see here, this is one that I've had my moisturizer in, so it just means you can take as much as you need, and actually, you quite often find that you don't need as much as you think. Although you might have an SPF in there, I always think it's definitely worth using a separate SPF. If you do want to see a bit more about SPF, then I did a full video on that, top 5 SPFs, really that aren't oily, aren't greasy, that are easily absorbed into the skin. I will link it up there. But some of my favorite and great for this sort of travel size, La Roche-Posay, this is an SPF 50, or even the new one from Kiehl's. This is an aqua gel, which essentially means that although it looks creamy, it's absorbed really easily into the skin, so it doesn't sit heavy. I did notice that the La Roche-Posay have got money off at Boots at the moment, so I'll link all the best prices down below so you can find those. Now, you're finished for the day, you might be a little bit worse for wear, always drink responsibly, but we should be removing all that dirt from our skin. Festivals can be a pretty messy place, so do take along a face wash. Now, I do have one here by Clarins Men. This obviously requires you going to a sink and washing that all off, but I think really a top tip for festivals is to get a micellar water. Now, micellar waters essentially are cleansers that don't require you to rinse them off. So really, you get these, pop it on a cotton pad, or really if we want to be thinking a little bit more sustainably and looking after the environment, then maybe even a cloth, put it onto that and just rub away. Now, these work as a surfactant, so basically just on the surface of the skin. They grab all the dirt, the oil, the grease, maybe even the makeup, especially if you've got sort of festival makeups on, grabs that, creates little balls called micelles, and then allows you to rinse that off. Now, this one is by Neutrogena. Neutrogena is a brand that I've started working with. You'll be seeing loads more. This video is not sponsored by them, but I just do think it's a fantastic product. Also, not expensive, so you're not gonna be spending the world and the earth, but you'll be seeing more from them very soon from me. Now, shaving can be difficult when you're at a festival, but a great product is this one by Menergy. This doesn't require water. This is the 3-in-1 invisible shave. You just pop it on, and then you can shave straight against the skin. This smells amazing. It protects the skin. It also lubricates that shave, so you won't have any friction with your razor. Now, oral health. Some people are guilty of just not looking after their oral health, especially at festivals, and no one wants to be in some sort of really close quarters with someone who just stinks. Now, you can obviously take a manual toothbrush, but I'm a big fan of an electric toothbrush just to get that real sort of optimum cleanliness with your mouth and your teeth. Now, this might seem a bit overload, but this one by Oral-B comes in this case, and if you charge this up at home, you can then have a full charge while you're away, and also you can stick in a USB cable so you can charge your phone. So that is a bit of a dual purpose for this one. And talking of not wanting to be a stinker, deodorant, and get a deodorant that's gonna last. For me, deodorant is all about Mitchum. I do find, like, as a total sweater, I'm even sweating right now, Mitchum is great for sort of giving you that 24, 48 hour fresh. I mean, this says 48-hour freshness. Even at a festival, I will queue for a cold shower. I'm not stinking it up. Honestly, just don't be that guy. No one likes that. And talking of not being that guy, we want to be clean all over. I don't know what you get up to festivals, but if you are away with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or you just have some self-respect, then this product is pretty good for that. This is called Below the Belt Ball Spray, and it basically says instant clean balls and fresh. This can be used up the way, down the way, sideways in my mouth, but really it does what it says on this. It's really for keeping you fresh all over, because festivals can get hot and sweaty, so there you go. I'll link all of these products, but do check them out. Into here, you've actually kind of got two options here. One is wear a cap. Honestly, if you can go without having your perfectly coiffed hair, then do that, and it just means you can keep all your sins and everything else under that cap. Or, I would say, use an oil-based product. Now, this might seem a bit weird to be using an oil-based product, because we want to keep our hair clean, but using an oil-based product means it's not going to dry hard, and it means you can manipulate it throughout the day. The other thing you can kind of do is to use a dry shampoo. I'm not a huge fan of dry shampoos because I do feel like they leave a slight tackiness to the hair, they coat it, they make my hair feel fluffy, and actually it can sometimes be pretty bad for your scalp. But if you are going to use one, then Batiste is kind of like the sort of high street option. It's cheap, it's cheerful. You can go for something slightly more expensive version like this one from Aveda. Pops on really easily. The other thing you can do really with a dry shampoo is to use it as a volumizing powder. So get it into the roots and really work through. And I know a lot of you guys will want to be taking a fragrance, but don't take that whole bottle. Like if you smash it, you're gonna be upset. Also, it's just like too big. So get an atomizer. I'll link some atomizers at really great prices down below, but I just find it so easy to take into your bag. And again, you actually don't need that much. And with all of these actually, having these little decanters just makes everything so easy. You can take all of this and just kind of put down to 4 or 5 of these just to keep it simple. But if you are going to a festival, then let me know where you're going. I'm actually going to Glastonbury. This is my first time going, so I'm excited. I'll have all of this. I'll have a huge suitcase. I'm joking, I'll have a tiny little bag. But let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do press subscribe. The button is just there. There's also more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. Head to the blog, it's there. And my social and some of those other videos are up there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.